Hello everyone. So in this video we will see the questions on complex number, that is the logarithm and differentiation of complex number. This concept is also again very important. If you know this, means this is also an advanced level concept. See, I have prepared lots of videos for your preparation of upcoming JEE Advanced 2027, and also one more playlist you can find there of JEE Advanced PYQs. So JEE Advanced PYQs as well as JEE Advanced 2026. These two PYQs will definitely help you how to prepare for JEE Advanced, which topics, what kind of questions they are asking. So I have explained each and everything in these two folders, playlist you can go through. Still there is a 9 to 10 days remaining, so you can boost your preparation. And also, if any one of you, at least as one student, is following my videos, then please mention in the comment that you are preparing or you are watching my videos for your preparation JEE Advanced 2026. So let us see this question. If z1, z2, z100 are roots of this equation. See, roots of this equations are, this is the equation 1 plus z plus z square z की power 100, that is equal to 0. So roots are z1, z2 and z100. Therefore I can write it as z minus z1, z minus z2, like that, z minus z100. Correct? This I can write down. If z1, z2, z100 are roots of this equation, then I can write down this as a equal to z minus z1 into z minus z2 into z minus z100. That is the concept. This is very fundamental concept. The next one is, this you have to find out summation of 1 upon zr minus 1, means r is ranging from 1 to 100, means 1 upon z1 minus 1. So first thing is that how to create 1 upon z minus 1. So 1 upon x or 1 upon z can be created by differentiating log of x. Correct? By differentiating log of x. So we have to differentiate log of x to get 1 upon x. That is the funda. So first you have to take log, then differentiate. So just take the log, taking log. So log of 1 plus z square up to the z की power 100 equal to log of z minus z1 plus log of z minus z2 plus log of z minus z ka 100. So I have taken the log to both sides because I have to create this 1 upon x like that, 1 upon z minus 1 like that, 1 upon z1 minus 1. Then how to create that one, I will also tell you. But 1 upon x type form I can create by taking differentiation of log x. That is important. Therefore, I have taken the log. Now differentiate. Now differentiating, this is 1 upon 1 plus z square up to the z की power 100. And then 1 का differentiation is 0, z का differentiation is 1, 2z का z square का differentiation is 2z, z cube का differentiation is 3z square, and like that this is 100, z की power 99. So left hand side differentiation is completed, and in the right hand side I can write 1 upon z minus z1 plus 1 upon z minus z2, like that, 1 upon z minus z का 100. Correct? I want z1 minus 1. z1 is there, so z has to be 1. z2 is there, z has to be 1. So put z equal to 1 now. That is, I am creating 1. Correct? Now put z equal to 1. So z equal to 1 I am putting. So this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to the 100. This is what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to the 100. Correct? And this is what? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many terms are there? 101 terms there. So 101. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to the 100 is 100 into 101 by 2, correct? So this whole thing is 50. So 50 equal to 1 upon, I have put z equal to 1, 1 minus z1 plus 1 upon 1 minus z2 plus up to the 1 upon 1 minus z ka 100. But they want 1 upon z1 minus 1 plus 1 upon z2 minus 1, like that, 1 upon z100 minus 1. We have got 1 minus z1, but they want z1 minus 1, 1 upon z1 minus 1. So it's very quite easy now. Just take the minus sign common from each one. So this becomes now minus sign common, z1 minus 1. This is z2 minus 1. And this is z ka 100 minus 1. Correct? And this minus will come over here. Okay? This minus will come over here. So finally the answer is minus 50. Now you can remember this process directly, the shortcut you can remember. If such type of questions comes, then you can immediately answer the questions. If they are asking about 1 plus z square up to the z ki power 100, like that the question, okay, 100, then answer is minus 50. Just look at here, z1 minus 1, z2 minus 1. If it is 1 minus z1, 1 minus z2, like that, the answer will be 50. Okay. So if they are asking about 1 plus z square up to z ki power 50. So they will ask here r is ranging from z1 to 50, and definitely the answer will be minus 25. Correct? The process is same.